In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Cursor AI in a simple and straightforward way. This connection allows you to seamlessly integrate your Figma designs with Cursor AI, making the process of generating code and extracting design information more efficient and automated. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to get your Figma API token, which acts like a key, unlocking the door to connect Figma with other applications. So head over to your browser and type in figma.com. Make sure you log into your Figma account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that and navigate down to the settings option. Here, scroll down until you locate personal access tokens. This is where we'll generate the unique token necessary for our integration. Go ahead and click on Create New Token. A code, typically starting with figd followed by other characters, is generated. Be sure to copy this code because it's essential for the next steps and you won't be able to see it again. Now let's turn our attention to Cursor AI. Open up the Cursor AI app on your computer. If you haven't already, you can download it from the official Cursor AI website. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom left corner and you'll see a gear icon, which indicates these settings. Click on it, and within the settings, find the section that mentions MCP servers or Model Context Protocol servers. At this point, we're ready to integrate. Click on Add Server. A new window will pop up, and in the command field, you need to enter a specific line of code that establishes this connection. Type in npx Figma developer key, Figma API key, your Figma token. Remember, your Figma token is a placeholder here. You need to replace this part with the token you copied earlier from Figma. Once you've entered the correct command, click Save to lock in these settings. Next up, it's time to test the connection and make sure everything is working as it should. If you've done everything correctly, you will see a green indicator next to the Figma MCP server name, signaling a successful connection. To further verify, you can try typing a command in Cursor Chat. For example, you might type generate HTML and CSS from my Figma design, and then paste your Figma link. Alternatively, you could ask, show me the color palette from my Figma project. And there you have it, everything is set up. Your Figma is now successfully connected to Cursor AI. With this integration, you can easily use Cursor AI to read your Figma designs, generate front-end code, extract styles, or even build React components directly from your Figma projects. Enjoy the newfound productivity and creativity this setup brings.